It is. Uh-oh.
Uncle, the shoe's so tight.
Is it? What's the matter with it? Tight on your heel? Can you say hi, honey? Say hi. Your picture's going. Taylor, Mommy's taking your picture. You say hi?
Hi.
How you doing? You sure look cute.
I'm a suck.
You say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
We were supposed to be there today,
Yeah.
but we're not. We're still here.
I can't talk. I still can't talk.
You can't talk?
I still can't talk to Grandma.
You can't? How come?
I can't talk.
Why?
I can't talk.
Why can't you? You sound like you're talking pretty good.
I still can't talk on the camera.
How come? Why? The shoe bothering you? Oh, it's in this? Oh, what's on that, Taylor?
Okay.
Look what he's doing.
Get a picture of that.
He did. I think he was doing that when Nana got that picture.
So we'll just take the box again here.
He's a pig.
Okay, we'll go up there in a minute, honey, okay? Come look over here. There, look.
These will take. I think I get this best pictures through this window with the sun directly behind me. There's two of them together.
Taylor, wait for Mommy. Come on.
And little kids can get their faces eyeball.
That's amazing.
Pretty special, isn't it, Clay? He's more than 15 feet from this table.
Uh-oh, he's coming. He's coming. Watch out. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's supposed to swim from there over to here. Swim. Look at this. Here's the shot. Somebody's coming.
This is the 12. This is the it's a 5. never
Female
say
turns into a male?
understand.
Female turns
Female
into a
turns
male?
into a male, yes.
So that's the consequences of being a grouper.
You're a grouper,
Poor
you're going to have to
thing.
go through it all.
Betsy heard several jokes on that.
Oh, yeah. Some of them are not repeated.
Isn't that something?
He said, "Don't chew mommy's hair." You think he wants my hair? Think he wants it? Oh, he's got a big mouth, huh? See him? He's right there. He's going down in the hole. You can't see him when he goes down there. He'll come back. Watch. Now, get ready. He's going to come back. Get ready. Ready. He's going to come. He's going to bring something else out. Here he comes. Oh, he didn't bring anything that time. He's just checking things out.
Taylor, come here.
Look at the big white one, honey.
Cheese.
Grandma's not working to say cheese.
Cheese. What are you going to say? Talk on the camera.
McDonald's?
Yeah, you having fun on the bicycle?
No.
No. Good boy. The butterfly?
I'll pull the bicycle off. I'll pull the bicycle off, Daddy. Please.
The training wheels, you want those off?
Yeah.
No, it works better that way. That way you won't fall and hurt yourself. Okay, now get on the tractor. In the middle of November, Taylor without a shirt on. It's about 85 degrees. While it's snowing and very cold up north.
Say hi.
Oh yeah, when you buy a tire, you charge to
Doesn't work tomorrow.
with the price of the tire?
Doesn't work.
Sure.
Doesn't work the camera.
Yeah, it
What
does.
size tire is it, Tanya, we need?
Doesn't work.
Yeah, it
Tanya, what
does.
size tire do you need?
It's underlined in that paper.
I don't
In
see it.
yellow.
These are the other companies?
There's only 3 of them in there. Is it all fixed? Yeah. Good.
Another hit the bicycle.
Don't get dizzy. Oh, that's garbage. Could you put that in the garbage?
When you buy a tire,
Taylor, don't open it up. No, no, no. What is that, Taylor? Is there any money in there?
No, I have more money.
No. Hmm? Taylor? Can you say hi to everybody? Oh, there it is. It's working.
Yeah, this one.
Can you say hi?
Doesn't work the picture.
It doesn't? Oh,
Yeah.
no. What are we going to do?
Now what to do?
Now what?
Oh.
What'd you do today, Taylor? Taylor, what'd you do today? Did you go to... Taylor? Did you go to Maxine's today?
Yeah.
What'd you do over there?
From McDonald's.
Oh, you didn't go to McDonald's. Oh.
I can't see Sam, Mommy.
Can you see yourself?
Doesn't work.
It doesn't work. You're not on there?
Doesn't work.
Uh-oh.
This one again.
All right.
I see the picture, Mommy. I can't see it.
Can you see it?
Doesn't work.
Oh, you're not in that picture when I turn it over?
Doesn't work. Did the picture, did the talking, and now the chaos.
Oh, my.
Doesn't work.
Okay, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Watch out for the street, honey. Yeah, wanna go see the kitty?
No, it's just here.
Kitty! Hi there. How you doing? Ready? What you got there? The neighbor lady gave. What did the neighbor lady give you?
That's a two kitty.
Yeah, she gave you some candy. Yeah, it's two kitties. Wave bye to her.
About the beach. What do, Mommy? I got the camera.
Yeah.
You got
You
the
were just so cute. You're playing with that thing and telling it to come here. You're talking to it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It does it listen to you?
Yeah.
It does?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Well, that's something. You know what? I think the battery's going dead on it. You know what? I think we're going to have to put another battery in. Here we are in December, outside in our underwear. It's warm. It's warm out, huh?
Yeah.
You don't need to even wear any clothes. It's so warm, huh?
Yeah.
Are you having fun with that little car?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought so.
For the garbage car?
Uh-oh, no, don't do that.
Okay.
Oh, you don't want to do that. You don't want to throw it away.
Hey, Mommy. They went away. Then they went away.
Thanks.
They went away.
Miss Stacy's Days
It's
with
a
Hell Wines
car.
Taylor, sing the song you were singing. Can you sing it? Go ahead and sing the song, honey. What did you say when you opened Taylor? What did you say when you opened it up? He just woke up. Say surprise. Oh, I wish I would have got that on tape. Taylor? Taylor, what did you say when you took it out?
Yeah, I can't take it out.
You say surprise. Mommy's got to put a new battery in.
Yeah, I have to.
No, I'm talking about the video camera. Look at that, honey. There's a ball, and when you put the ball in and it goes through, that's what it does. Yeah.
You got this.
Grandma got that for you, honey. You know what's in there? There's little monkeys in there.
Monkeys in there?
Yeah. Oh boy, what's that? What's that, Taylor?
You have to open it.
Huh?
Open it.
I'll have to open it for you. Okay. Oh, yeah. All right, it's working. Yay! Taylor made a basket. Wow, that's a neat toy, huh? You did it! Yeah!
Taylor. How you doing, buddy? All kinds of toys, didn't you? We got your... Show me your basketball game. Taylor, see a basketball game. You like that game? You like the basketball game, honey? You like that game?
Yeah. Let's put that up there. Let's pull up there.
We have to leave in a few minutes, honey. Okay.
That's too much of the house.
Taylor, see if you can make a basket. Throw it in. Just stand back. Stand back and throw it in, and then you'll make the music. You have to... Taylor, stand back. Get up, stand back and throw it in. Okay? And Mommy will get your picture of it, and then you can watch.
Had to open this.
Huh?
Had to open this.
Had to open this. Hey, you did it! All right.
Had to open this.
Had to open this. Open it, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't open it.
You can't open it.
I did it, Mommy.
You get it? Okay. You gonna fix it?
Yeah, fix it. No, open up. No, fix it.
What are you gonna do? How you...
How to open this thing?
Huh? You don't need to open it up. It's already...
There's toys in there.
No, there's no toy. That's where the batteries are, honey. You don't want them to fall out. Okay? Taking your picture.
You are wild animals. Right now, just $19.99 at JCPenney.
Oh, that was a rough one. Got an ass move. Fun.
Different at JCPenney.
Thursday, the Spotlight Show. A Christmas tree in the bathroom. And tonight sure isn't helping. You'll get the hell out of here.
You found a new thing to do with that, huh?
Thursday. Watch it on your news radio on its new night, Tuesday at 8:30 on NBC.
That, Mommy. That.
Oh, it got squished. How are you going to get it back together again? What are you going to do?
So,
You need to do that.
Yeah.
You need to set the computer up inside your house. What you need to do.
We have one.
I thought it was on the shed.
No, it's in
Oh,
our
really?
laundry
Okay.
room. We have a big, pretty big size laundry room.
Let's sit them both down to
Charlie's desk is out
rest.
there.
Yeah, that'd be neat, Gary.
But he has
Yeah,
to put in another
super
phone
neat.
line.
What?
Because there's no phone line right there in the office.
Oh, just a... Oh, that's easy.
It's on the other side of the wall is the guest room, and that's where he was going to have his desk.
Pop it through the other side.
Look at the snake. It's alright, too. Yeah, that's alright. That's a pool, huh? A dead bug, look. A dead bug. Hey, come here. Taylor. Look. Look at your mama.
Hi. Did you have fun out in service today, Taylor? Did you have fun?
That's your bike. You got 3 bikes, huh? Okay. Up. You can ride it. Okay. You ride it. I can't. Okay, I'll try to. Oh, that one pedal got broken off.
Yeah. Go get your good one, Taylor. Get your good one. Taylor, tired, honey?
Come here, Taylor.
You need to go lay down for a little while?
Taylor, want me to read you a story?
Maybe you should let him take a nap, huh? So he's not
Yeah.
tired for the movie? We're gonna go to a movie
Guess what
all
it
together.
It's called Barney's Farm Animals. Barney is on a farm. Can you...
What time is it?
Narrate. Explain what Taylor did last night. Taylor tried to shave for the first time last night. He cut himself shaving.
You gonna say what, Taylor? You gonna say what happened?
Mommy's taking the picture.
What happened to your lip,
Tell
honey?
Mommy what happened to your lip.
It's all better now, though, huh? Almost.
Taylor was trying to copy Daddy, and he picked up the razor and tried to shave and cut himself.
No, Daddy, this not so that this all better.
Yeah, it's all better, but last night it would hurt, huh?
Uh-oh. Can you pick that up, honey?
Daddy pick up.
Oh, good. Wipe it on your shirt.
You're supposed to wipe that on a tissue, honey.
Wipe it on the towel. Hmm?
Come on, she's taking a picture.
Where's that camera?
What?
Where's that?
What's that?
What's that? Mommy.
Who is that?
That one, Mommy.
It doesn't? Are you not in the picture? Whoops. Where are you? Oh, there you are. There you are.
Doesn't work, Mommy.
Can you see yourself?
It doesn't work.
Yeah, it does. It works good. It's working great. You're right there. Here's my little sweetheart.
No, Mommy, it doesn't work.
Yes, it does.
No,
It's taking your picture.
No, it doesn't work. The gills. No, it doesn't work.
The gills.
They were saying it was a wake-up call because we were not playing that
I
well.
know what he's saying.
Look at Avery as he gets shaken here. 55
The way he
seconds.
thinks I don't understand you.
Shaken
It
up.
says to
doesn't
translate.
work, Mommy. I see the camera. I can't see.
You gonna smile big?
One of the best movies of the year.
Prince of Egypt, Taylor. Look on TV.
And Siskel and Ebert give it 2 thumbs up. The Prince of
We
Egypt.
saw that movie, didn't we?
Now playing